Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Melissa, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. First of all, I just want to say Happy New Year to you all. Hope you had an amazing festive season, Christmas, New Year, the lot. For today's video, I created this pink smoky eye that I hope you guys will really like. It's really simple and quick, so it's really like beginner friendly, so I hope that you guys will enjoy this one, and subscribe for new videos every week, and don't forget to like and comment as well. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, come through brows. Anyway, hi guys, I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna do a really fun pink look. It's gonna be really simple, probably 1 or 2 shades. So yeah, I've already done my brows. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. And to conceal them, I used these 2 concealers mixed together. This is the PS My Perfect Color Liquid Concealer in the shade Caramel. This is from Primark. And then obviously my Ride or Die Makeup Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define in the shade C12.5. I think I'm actually going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that because there's already quite a bit of concealer on this eye, and do the same here. And then blend it out with this beauty sponge from the Pound Shop. And it's honestly one of the best sponges I've ever used. It's super soft and just really makes it easy to blend out with. And eyes are all primed out. Like I said, the eye is going to be super simple. So I've got the Sample Beauty Bon Voyage palette here. You can use the Morphe 35B if you can get it, or the just any colourful palette. And I'm just going to be taking maybe that pink there. And I'm basically just going to pack it on the eyelid first. And I'm just going to pack that on. Ooh, come through pink. Getting a lot of kickback on the palette, but you know, I'm not mad at that. It is what it is. So that's looking, you know, pinky. I'm just going to obviously blend out the top. Guys, do you see this kickback that's going on here? There. Then I'm going to take this shade here and just kind of put that above. And I'm just going to put that, ooh, come through hot pink. Oh, she cute. And you guys, this is pretty much for the eyes. I'm not going to do anything more because I promised myself I'd be simple. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with my Givenchy mascara. It's the Noir Couture Volume Mascara in the shade Black Taffety. So this year I'm starting a foundation series because I'm on the hunt for the perfect foundation for my skin type, and you know, how long it lasts, and you know, all that stuff. So we're going to be doing a foundation series, mainly drugstore, because let's face it, I'm quite poor, so it is going to be mainly drugstore. So if you guys know any good foundation, drugstore foundations that I should try, let me know what foundations I should try, preferably drugstore, because I'm not spending over £15 on a foundation because I don't have the budget, frankly. So next we're gonna move on to the face. I've already moisturized my face, so we're all good in that department. I'm going to prime my face with the Matte and Blur primer from CYO. Yeah, this is pretty much the only primer that I use, even though dare I say it, I don't really believe in primers, but it does kind of like smooth out my face and my pores, which have been extra prominent recently. Might be because of the weather, but my face is getting like dry. I'm actually gonna color correct because, as you can see with my face situation, I've got a couple of scars, you know, doing the most, especially on this side of the face, which used to be really clear, but for some reason don't know what's happening. So I'm just gonna color correct. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the orange corrector, and for some reason this is coming out like watery. I don't like it. I think they changed the, you see what I mean? Did you just see? Look at it. This is rude. But anyway, I think they changed the formula or something because it's really watery. Are you serious? Like, just water is trickling out of it. It's ridiculous. But I'm just going to blend that out. Now that I'm all orange or peachy or, you know, color corrected up, I actually forgot to do my lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes before I do my foundation, just because that's what I always do. These are the Magefy lashes, which are actually really good. I got these from Aliexpress as usual. Yeah, I used these ones earlier, so obviously I'm going to use the top ones now, and they're just really pretty and they seem full, so I'm hoping they are. You guys, I just filmed like a whole section and I hadn't even been filming, so yeah, the face is nearly done. I went in with foundation. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I mixed the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage in the shade F13 with the Maybelline, where are you? I don't know where it is, but the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 72 Cocoa. Mix them two together. Then I've just actually started using this new concealer, which is the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer in this shade C12. And then I just mentioned that it's lightweight, buildable coverage, and to conceal dark circles and imperfections. And I've just used, like, put a little bit, and I'm just gonna use a little bit and build it up because it says lightweight to buildable. I also mentioned how runny it is because it's lightweight. I quite like it actually, since I've left it to dry down a little bit. I can't believe it wasn't filming all this time. I actually really like this concealer. It is very lightweight. It's obviously not the most full coverage, but it's still quite nice. I'm actually going to go ahead with this concealer again, just a little bit underneath my eyes. So it's pretty dried down, I'd say, so I'm just going to blend out the rest of it. I'm then going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. And I'm just going to press this into the skin, basically. Oh, this is a fail because I don't think my beauty blender is damp anymore. So, oh, it's taking a bit longer and not looking as nice. Well, it's not too bad. I'm now gonna go in with the Sun-Kissed, I can never say it, Sun-Kissed Giant Bronzer, and this is in the shade dark. And you guys, this shit is so dark, it's not even a joke. So less is more. I have to open it quite carefully because it's broken. So I actually ran out of storage, so I've done my contour and set my face with powder. I'm just going to spritz my face with the CYO fixing spray, set to last. This is honestly basically finished, so this is my last time using it, and that means I need a new setting spray. I will not miss the smell. This shit stinks, but it was pretty good. And then I'm gonna quickly go in with the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and this is the Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold, and this is so pretty. I am obsessed. Just gonna go in and highlight. Come on now. It's so pretty. I'm actually like, I don't really like blush, but I'm gonna try and get into it. But this palette doesn't actually really have blush in it. It's more like a highlighting palette to me anyway, and I'm pretty sure it has a contour shade in there, but yeah, that's grey, so it's not gonna look, it's gonna look grey on me, so it's not gonna be one to contour with, so I can't really use that. But the highlighters in here are amazing. I'm actually going to take that shade there and use it as an eyebrow highlight and in the corner as well. Oh, she's pretty. I'm actually going to use that pink one for my inner corner, since this is a pink look. And yeah, oh, she's pigmented. I'm gonna go back with my Givenchy mascara for my bottom lashes. Oh no, I forgot to do my lower eyeshadow. Right. I'm just gonna use that pink shade with you for my lower lash line. Actually gonna go in with the lighter pink just to create like a nice little gradient situation. Now I'm gonna go on my mascara. Now it's time for mascara. So I actually finished everything because my camera again low storage, so it just shut off. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this simple pink really pretty look. I'm obsessed with how it came out, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe for new videos every week from now on. Don't forget to like and comment as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.